Late one night, Sarah was home alone when her doorbell rang. She checked the clock, 3:15 a.m. Peering through the peephole, she saw no one. Assuming it was a prank, she returned to bed. A few minutes later, the doorbell rang again. This time, she looked out the window, but the street was empty. Trying to ignore it, she lay back down. But just as she started to drift off, her phone buzzed with a notification. Motion detected. Front door. Heart pounding, she opened the app to check the live feed. On her screen, a figure stared back at her from the other side of the door, smiling, unmoving, eyes wide. Then her phone screen flickered, and a message appeared. "I'm in."